So now let's see how we can work around with the zoom effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to work around with the zoom effect, first of all, you need to go ahead and import out a picture. So to do that, you need to go around onto the file menu, then go to import right here. Then what you need to do is import out an image. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and import out this particular car image right here. And to apply zoom effect to it, you need to go around onto the effects menu right here and then go around over here onto blur and then choose zoom. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and change the amount of zoom right here, and you can see that from the center it actually zooms around over here just like this. So you can see that you get the zoom effect right here on the center right here just like this. So now if I were to go around over here, you can change around the amount right here, and as I click you can also go ahead and change around the center of the zoom by utilizing this button right here. You can simply go ahead and click right here, and you can see that you can go ahead and change the zoom section right here just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and then change around the zoom effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.